Hello people, pleasant morning from Jamaica. We are doing road. Just another beautiful and upful sunshine. The king is right here next to me.
Aye.
And we're going to do road today. So this is just a short video to check in and to let you all know that we are here and everything is blessed. Give thanks and have an upful and productive day. Kingman, you have anything to say?
Yeah, man. Upful. Give thanks to health and strength, you know. Life. Greatest gift of all. Life.
Alright.
With health and strength.
Alright.
Aye.
Okay. Bless up people. Coming to you again in a few. Have a blessed one. People, we're here again and we're in Young's department store. We're looking in the souvenir section, trying to grab a few bits to take back home. What is that? We are free.
Wow.
Oh, listen, wherever I go, I buy plates and I buy cups. That's my weakness. Yes, I like these things, people. I like nice, fancy plates. And I think these in particular stand out. They're nice, ceramic, durable. And I just like how they look rough and just earthy. That's it. Yes, so I had to grab 3 plates. That's one for Ja, one for I, and one for King Riley. So that's the treat today. But we're in Young's and we're looking at the beautiful souvenirs in here. It's lovely. Here comes Terry. Here comes Terry. This is the boss man, Terry. Yes. This is gonna go on my YouTube channel. And here comes the boss. You know, I'm going on the YouTube people, so guess what? Look, we take him out of the video live. Alright. Anyway guys, it's a short one. I'll come back to you as soon as I trot on this journey. Bless up.